Hi students, welcome to the Sachin Deep Botany classes. Today's our topic is objectives in the principles of inheritance. Objectives in principles of inheritance. Principles of inheritance and variations. So in this topic, first question, the percentage of heterozygous individuals, percentage of heterozygous individuals, percentage of heterozygous individuals obtained from selfing of capital or small r individuals. The percentage of heterozygous individuals obtained from selfing of capital or small r individuals. When two selfing, if you do in the capital or small r, so this is our male parent, this is a female parent. When we do the selfing, here we get gametes capital R, small r. Here we get gametes capital R, small r. If we make checkerboard, so then what we get here, capital R, small r, capital R, small r. So they are asking about the heterozygous individual, percentage of the heterozygous individuals. Heterozygous individuals out of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, out of 4, 2. 2 by 4 into 100. 4, 25 into 2, 50%. 50% is the answer for this question. Next, if 120 plants are produced on crossing, if 120 plants are produced on crossing pure violet and pure white. 20 plants are produced on crossing pure violet and pure white flowered pea plant. Pure violet and pure white flowered pea plant. Pure white and pure white plants. Pure violet and pure white flowered plants, flowered pea plants, flowered pea plants. Then the number of offsprings will be, then the number of offsprings will So 120 plants are produced on crossing pure violet and pure white flowered pipette. Then number of offsprings will be. So here pure violet we can represent a capital V. Pure tall we represent capital T. Pure white we can represent capital W. This is a violet. This is a pure white. Here when we cross these two, what happens we get here? Capital V, capital W. Capital V, capital W, when we cross it, white is a recessive character, now it is a small w. I'll write here like this. Then capital V, capital W, plants are formed. Capital V, capital W, small w, plants are formed. So out of 120, pure violet, pure tall. Here, what is the answer? Here, capital V is dominant over the small w because violet is dominant over the white, so that we get violet. So all 120 plants are 120 violet plants are formed because they are considered the pure. Pure means homozygous condition. So that answer is violet. Heterozygous violet flower plants are produced. This is the second question. And the third question. In a monohybrid class, monohybrid class, 45 tall and 15 dwarf plants were obtained. Then the genotype of dwarf plants were obtained. Then the genotype of parents. 45, 50 dwarf tall plants are formed. Genotype of parents. Then options are like this. Capital T into capital T. Second option, capital T, small t, capital T into small t. And then third option, capital T small t, capital T small t. Fourth option, capital T into small t. Actually, this is a 3:1 ratio. 45 tall plants, 15 dwarf plants. Then what is the ratio we get here? 15 3s to 15 1s. So 3:1 ratio of the plants are formed. 3:1 ratio of plants are formed. Then here, when we get the 3:1 ratio of plants, when these two plants are crossed, it is a monohybrid ratio. When we get the 3:1 ratio of flower plant, so when we cross these two, capital T small t is crossed with the capital T small t, then we get 3 is to 1 ratio of tall plant. So here capital T, capital T, small t, capital T, small t, small t, small t. So these three are tall and this is a 1 dwarf. So 3 is to 1 ratio of tall and dwarf plants are formed. Here directly we can cross these parents. In options, whatever the parents are given, genotypic parents are given, when we cross this, when the result comes, that result is answer. That is the answer for this question. Such a way we have to do sometimes solve. Sometimes we have to solve. Next question. If a hybrid violet flowered tea plant was crossed back to pure violet, hybrid violet flowered tea plant was crossed. If hybrid violet colored tea plant was crossed back to pure violet flowered tea plant. Pure violet flowered tea plant. Pure violet flowered tea plants. The progeny will show. Then the progeny will show. So violet colored tea plant was it. Hybrid violet means capital V, small v is crossed with capital V, capital V. Pure means so capital V, small v. Hybrid means capital V, small v. When it is crossed, what kind of plant we get here? Here, violet, capital V, violet plant we get here. Capital V, violet we get. So here capital V, small v, violet only. It is a dominant over this one. Capital V, small v, it is a violet. Then the answer is that the progeny will be all violet plants. All violet plants. So that is about the answer for that question. Next, a cross between hybrid and its dominant parent. A cross between hybrid and its dominant. A cross between hybrid and its dominant is called. It is a direct question. When we cross the F1 hybrid with the dominant parent, when we cross with the F1, for example, capital T, small t is crossed here. In F1 generation, we get capital T, small t. So this is a hybrid. This hybrid is crossed with the dominant parent. Then it is called as back cross. If the hybrid is crossed with the recessive parent, then it is called as a test cross. So then the answer is back cross option. So there are 4 options are given: back cross, reciprocal cross, monohybrid cross, dihybrid cross. So then answer is back cross. Next, A cross between the parents of blood group AB and O will result offspring having blood groups. A cross between parents of blood group AB and O will results offsprings having blood groups. Offsprings having blood groups. So here the parents of the blood groups. The blood groups of the parent is AB blood group. So we can write the AB blood group as an IB. So then O blood group small I. O blood group. This is an AB blood group. O blood group. Then we cross it. What we get? IA small I. It is an A blood group. IA small I. It is an A blood group. IB small I. B blood group. IB small I. B blood group. Then what blood groups of offsprings are formed here? A and B blood groups. A and B blood groups of offsprings are formed. The offsprings are A and B blood group. Next. Pure tall purple variety of pea plant was crossed with pure tall purple variety of pea plant crossed with pea plant is crossed with dwarf pure tall purple variety of pea plant. Tall purple variety of pea plant crossed with dwarf white plant. Dwarf white plant. Then what is the probability of getting? What is the probability of getting tall purple, probability of getting phenotype tall purple in the F2 generation. Tall purple in the F2 generation. This is the question. Now the answer is like this. So when tall purple represented by capital T, so we can represent the capital T. It is a dominant plant, dominant tall purple. So then it is crossed with dwarf white plant. Dwarf capital T, small p. We represent the dwarf with small t, white small p. Then what happens we get here? Capital T, small t. So when we cross it in F1 generation, capital T, small p, plant we get. So what they are asking in F2 generation, probability of getting tall purple F2 generation. That means self. Then, so capital T, small p is crossing with capital T, small p, small p. Then, like this question comes, we need not to do entire checkerboard here for the diagonal class. Then we have to cross these two first, and then these two first. Understood? So then when we cross this capital T, small. Then what we get? Capital T, small t, capital T, small t. So here out of 4 tall plants are 3 by 4. Out of 4, 3. So then 3 by 4. Then we can cross this. Capital P small t. When we cross this separately, capital P purple. Then capital P small p purple. Capital P small p purple. Small p white. So here purple 3 by 4. So the ratio of the tall purple, now tall plants are 3 by 4. They are asking tall purple F2 generation, proportion of probability of getting tall purple. Tall, how many plants will get the 3 by 4 into white purple 3 by 4. So then 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. So tall purple proportion is 9:16. 9 by 16. Out of 16, 9 plant we get tall purple. So if such question comes, we need not to do entire checkerboard. By doing small trick, we can get the answer here. So we need to find the tall purple ratio here. Then these two tall plants are crossed separately. We get 3 by 4 of tall, 1 by 4 of dwarf. Here also 3 by 4 of purple, 1 by 4 of white. So then they are asking about the tall and purple here. So what are the probability of the tall plants here? 3 by 4. Then what are the probability of purple here? 3 by 4. Then 3 by 4 into 3 by 4. 9 by 16. 9 by 16 means out of 16 plants, 9 plants are the tall purple variety. So this is about this question. Such a way we have to do the problem. Next. The percentage of small a, small b gametes produced by percentage of small a, small b gamete produced by percentage of small a, small b gametes produced by capital A, small a, capital B, small b parent from the parent will be capital A, small b, parent will be. So here parent is capital A, small a, capital B, small b. Then how we form the gametes here? We write these two as a separate like this. Then we can join this capital B, small b separately. Same thing. Same for A also, capital A also, capital small a also we have to write it. Then what gamete we get? AB gamete, capital A, small b gamete, small a, capital B gamete, small a, small b gamete. So how many gametes are produced by this parent? 4 gametes are produced by this parent. Out of 4, capital A, small a gametes are how many? Capital A, small b gametes are small a, small b gametes are how many? 1. So 1 by 4 into 100. 4 into 25. 25 25%. Percentage of the small a small b gamete will be 25%. Next question. Heterozygous round yellow seeded pea plants were self. Heterozygous round and yellow pea plants, round and yellow pea plants were self. Total 800 seeds are collected. Total 800 seeds are collected. 800 seeds are collected. What is the total number of the seeds of recombinant phenotype? What is the total recombinant seeds here? Total recombinant seeds here. Round yellow pea plant. Heterozygous round yellow and heterozygous round yellow is self. So means self means same we have to write here. These are self. Total 800 seeds are collected. Then what is the total recombinant? Recombinant plants we have to develop here. Recombinant means what? Round green, round yellow pea plants are self. Then what is the recombinant characters? You know, dihybrid grass. In dihybrid grass, what are the recombinant plant? 9 round yellow plants are formed. 9 round yellow. This is a direct question. 9 round yellow plants are formed. 3 round green plants are formed. 3 wrinkled yellow plants are formed. 1 wrinkled green plants are formed. This is the dihybrid class according to the NCR. So here round yellow is a parental type, wrinkled green is a parental type. Wrinkled green is a parental type. Recombinant means what here? Round green, wrinkled yellow is a recombinant. How many? 3 round green, 3 wrinkled green. And so out of 16 plants are formed here. Out of 16 plants, 6 by 16 into 800. How many total plants are formed in this cross by crossing the round yellow self crossing? 800 seeds are formed. So out of 800 seeds, how many are recombinant? Out of 60, 6. Out of 60, 6. Then 6 by 16 into 800. 2 8s, 2 400s, 2 4s, 2 3s, 4 into 100. So 300 recombinant plants are formed. How many recombinant plants are formed? Recombinant seeds are formed 300. This is the answer for this question. Next. Heterozygous tall and red flower pea plants are self. 2000 seeds are collected. What is the total number of seeds of both heterozygous plants? Heterozygous tall and red flower pea plants are self. Tall and red flower pea plants are heterozygous pea plants are self. 2000 seeds are collected. Total 2000 seeds are collected. Total 2000 seeds are collected. What is the total number of seeds for both heterogeneous? What is the total number of seeds for both heterozygous? Total number of seeds formed both heterozygous. So when tall and red, heterozygous tall and heterozygous red, flowered pea plants are crossed, self-crossed. How many seeds we get here? 2000 seeds we get here. And then they are asking what is the total number of seeds of both heterozygous. Both heterozygous means capital T, small t, capital R, small r. How many plants are formed out of 2000? Out of 2000, how many capital T, small t, capital R, small r plants are formed? They are asking about that. When we graph these two, how many number of such kind of plants are formed out of 2000? We have to find it. So when we separately, when we want to class this, we need not to do the entire checkerboard here. We need not to do the entire checkerboard here. Then what we have to do? Separately these two are classed. Separately these two are classed. Then what we get? Capital T here. Capital T, small t, capital T, small t, small t, small t. Then how many plants capital T, small t are formed? We are expecting both heterozygous, no? Then how many plants are formed? Out of 4, 2 by 4. Out of 4, 2 by 4 plants are formed. Capital T, small t, 2 by 4 plants. And then capital R, small r is crossed with capital R, small r. It is selfing, no? So that capital R, 1, capital R, small r, capital R, small r, small r, small r. So here how many heterozygous round plants are formed? Heterozygous round plants are formed 2 by 4. So total heterozygous such kind of plants how many are formed? 2 by 4 into 2 by 4 into 800. 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16. Out of 16, 4 plants are formed. So out of 200, out of 2000, how many? So 4 4s are 16. So 4 5s are 0 0. 500 plants are formed. 500. These plants, capital T, small t, both the heterozygous they are asking, no? Heterozygous capital T, small t, capital small. Then here 500 plants are formed. Such a way we have to do this problem. So what they are asking? When heterozygous tall and red flowered pea plants are self, total 2000 seeds are collected. What is the total number of both heterozygous individuals? Both heterozygous means what? Capital T, small t, capital small. How many are formed? So then we need not to do entire checkerboard here. It is a diagonal class, no? We need not to do entire checkerboard. What you have to do? Simply this capital T, this capital T, this capital T, small t, separately we have to cross. Then we get 2 by 4 heterozygous tall. So when these two are crossed separately, we get capital smaller out of 4 plants 2. So that 2 by 4. Then 2 by 4 into 2 by 4. What is that? 4 by 16. Out of 4 by 16, actually 16 plants are produced in dihybrid. 4 plants are like this. So out of 2000, how many capital T, small t, capital smaller plants are produced? That is the question. Then 4 by 16 into 2000. If we multiply, then what we get? 500 plants are formed. So this is the answer for this question. Next, what is the percentage of tall red flower plant progeny of a cross between the, I'll write the question here. What is the percentage of tall and red flower, tall and red flower, tall and red flower, plants in the progeny, plants in the progeny, tall plants in the progeny of a cross between parents having capital T, capital T, capital R, small r, capital T, capital T, capital R, small r, small t, small t, small r, small r. So these are the parents. When these two parents are asked, the percentage of the tall and red flower, they are not asking heterozygous or homozygous. They are asking about the tall and red flower. Tall and red flower. That means when a homozygous tall and heterozygous tall red is crossing with homozygous dwarf and homozygous white plant is crossed, then what is the percentage of the tall and red flower plant? They are asking. They are not asking the homozygous tall or homozygous red or heterozygous red or heterozygous tall. They are asking about tall and red flower plant. Then in previous problem what we did, same thing we have to do here. So first of all we have to draw this two. Capital T is crossing with small t. Then we get capital T here. We get capital T here. Sorry, capital T small t here. And capital T small t here. Capital T small t here. How many tall plants are found out of four? Out of four tall plants are found. That is equal to 1 by 1. Or else we can keep like this. And then when we draw this two, red how many we get? Capital R, small r, when we cross it. Capital R, small r, red. Capital R, small r, red. Small r, white. Small r, white. These two are white. These two are red. So here 4 by 4 tall, 2 by 4 red. Then answer 4 by 4 into 2 by 4, 8 by 16. So 8 by 16 tall and red flower plants are formed. 8 by 16 tall and red flower plants are formed. Then this is also, then they are asking the percentage. So that 8 by 16 into 100, 2 4s to 2 8s, 4 2s, 50s. 50% of the plants are tall and red. Tall and red plants are 50% of the plants we get here. So this is about this question. this is about